Hey fam, and welcome back to another video with your girl Net. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these delicious strawberry shortcake bites. They were super easy to make and even better to eat. So if you guys would like to see this recipe, please hit a like on your way in, also comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also tell a friend and tell a friend. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing we're going to do is cut up our strawberries, and we want nice little bite-sized pieces. So make sure you cut them up into 4s if you can. If not, just cut them in half. Next, we're going to be adding about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to our strawberries, and this is just going to help break down them strawberries to make it a nice little syrup. So go ahead and add your sugar, and then I know it looked like it's a lot, but it's really not. So once you put this into the refrigerator, it's going to break down those juices, and you guys will see. Just stay tuned. And we're going to go put these right into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be right back to y'all. So now for our cream cheese filling, we're going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of lemon to our 8 ounce of cream cheese, and then I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and you want to gradually add this in as you mix in. Now we're going to go in with about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now we're going to give everything a good blend. So when we get to this stage, when the cream cheese and sugar is already blended, I'm going to go ahead and add my heavy whipping cream to it. And you just want to add it a little bit at a time. I would just eyeball it until you get like the consistency of frosting. So once our filling is done, I'm going to go ahead and scrape the edges just to make sure everything is nicely combined. Right here I have my piping bag, which I place inside of a cup. Just make it easier for me to put the filling inside of the bag. So just a quick tip. Y'all, look at that cream cheese. How many of y'all like strawberry shortcakes or cheesecakes? Let me know down in the comment section. So after filling our bag, we're just going to go ahead and place this and squeeze it all the way to the bottom just to make sure we get a good squeeze and it's not too thick. So I'm going to go ahead and use these shortcake dessert shells, and you guys can use whatever type of shortcake you like, but I find these to be the most easiest and the better tasting ones. So off camera, I went ahead and added butter to my shells. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some sugar around the edges of the shells. And then we're going to just place these right back onto our baking pan. And I'm going to do this for all of them, so stay tuned. So now we're going to place these inside of the oven on 350 for about 5 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And then I'll be right back to y'all. Now for the assembly. So now we're going to go ahead and add our cream cheese filling inside the middle. And I say use a piping bag because it just makes things a lot easier. But if you can't, you could just go ahead and scoop you about a good amount of scoop into each. Now we're going to go ahead and place our strawberries on top of each cup, just like so. After coming out of the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, that syrup set really good. So just in case like you ever buy some fruit that's not that sweet, just add a little sugar to it and place it inside the refrigerator, and it just brings out the fruit flavor and make it better. Look at those delicious shortcake bites. They sure look good, and I really do hope you guys try it. These are ideal for baby showers, birthdays, side party, little finger foods. So if you guys are doing like any type of catering or anything like that, and you're on a pinch on trying to figure out what kind of dessert you would like to make, I will really suggest this being one of them, because it literally took me about 30 minutes to make. So y'all know me, I gotta be extra and add my powdered sugar on top. And just like that, there go our strawberry shortcake bites. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate you guys for subscribing, leaving nice comments, and also sharing. So you guys, until the next video, you guys stay safe out there, and peace.